Climb inside the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.